Hey guys, what up? Robert here. Welcome to 5280 Brews and Barbecue. Welcome to the new studio. Today's video, we're going to be turning a $20 offset smoker that I found on Facebook Messenger into a $100 smoker. This nice old lady was selling it online. It was super rusted out. She wanted nothing to do with it, so I went ahead, drove about 45 minutes, went and picked it up with my little brother. Thank you, Mitch. And we're going to go ahead, scrape, sand, repaint this thing, and then we're going to take the grill grates, season them up with some flaxseed oil, and make this thing look brand spanking new. Let's get it done.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Hope it helped you out. If you guys have a similar story, drop down in the comments some pictures. Let me know what you guys did. You know, in the comment section, let me know exactly how your girls turned out. What kind of buys did you find? Honestly, with everything that I found, this could be a small side business for just about anyone. And honestly, I was able to make this smoker look brand new within like 2 hours. I don't see why this couldn't be a small business, especially if you make about 80 bucks off of this thing. If you take it for 20 bucks, sell it for 100 bucks, that's 80 bucks. That's $40 an hour. That's some pretty good change right there. Nonetheless, you guys, if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell for any new content that I post. Don't want you to miss anything. I'll check you guys out in the next episode. Peace.